Hey there, geeks. Tim with MajorGeeks.com. Today we're going to show you Extended God Mode, which is a very, very cool app I think you're going to dig. First of all, we're going to show you how to enable God Mode real quick. For those who aren't familiar with it, there's somewhere around 250, 300 tweaks in there. And all these will be linked to in the video description, so you can activate God Mode yourself without needing this other app, but you're going to want the app. All right, so we're going to right-click on the desktop, and we're going to do New Folder, Control V that code, press enter, and here is God Mode. Now that you got that down, as you can see, categories, a lot of the settings in God Mode, you can find a lot of them in Windows. Some are pretty well hidden, and some of them are hidden because they don't work like they used to, but it's pretty neat. So Extended God Mode has huge advantages over the regular God Mode. So once you download it, let me show you quick. Major Geeks, download. Just click on the download now here, or any of these links right here. And here it is. So I was playing with a little bit already. Let me switch this around so we can start fresh. This is how it looks when you start. As you can see, it's got a count of how many there are. And here they are in alphabetical order, although I would kind of prefer the one missing option, and hopefully he'll add it when he hears this, would be to have the ability to put it back into categories like you have here in the regular God Mode. But that's about it. So here's the coolest thing about it is search. Not just search, but the ability to save your search. Recent, so here's the stuff I've opened recently, which is really nice. So let's say you change something and you change your mind, or you have a problem. You can quickly come back here and say, okay, I'm having a problem with my Bluetooth. Well, we can come in here and play around with it and fix your problem. Here's the ones you went to the most. You won't see any of this stuff in regular God Mode. Add a favorite, which is nice. So if you edit something again, you have the opportunity to add it as a favorite so you can get back there. Now, the appearance is cool. Over here, got to bounce around on you a little bit. So you see Admin Tools Control Panel, just so you know. It's right here. So if you wanted to hide them, you could, but this is nice if you're tweaking your system because you can jump right to everything in the control panel and everything for administrative tools. If you like the dark theme, a lot of people do, there you go. Any kind of vision problems, you might be able to bounce from dark to light, or if you switch the font, it gets big, and you can have the grid. Now by default, it looks like this. That's what you're going to see when you open it up. Show your icons, show your numbers. Just a lot of little stuff that you don't necessarily need, but boy, he covered everything. I'll give him that. It's pretty cool. So I like the dark theme. I'm going to leave that on. Others, these are also, as you saw, control panel admin tools. Classic God Mode link. Tools. Tools are his other app. So if you've never been to wintools.info, he's got some great tools here. I love everything he's got. And I think you will too. Win 10 all settings, notepads, classic control panel, really, really good stuff. And it's all free. And most of it, as far as I know, is portable, including this app. So there you have it. Let's jump back. And really, that about covers it. So all you got to do when you want to use them is just scroll through and look for anything you're interested in. Change how Windows searches. And as you can see, it opens all these settings right inside of Windows. If you've never used God Mode before and you think Windows is working the way you want, you'd be surprised at what you can find inside of God Mode. Yeah, so that about covers it. Multiple languages. I think we got everything covered. And I think you'll find that the search and the links and everything else, I think you'll find it hard to ever use God Mode without using Extended God Mode in the future. So bottom right hand corner, Major Geeks logo pops up as always. You click on that, you can subscribe. If you don't want to subscribe and we helped you out, go ahead and click like. We'd appreciate that. And we thank you for watching as always. See ya.